Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Yeah, we're exploring the idea that DOT has completed a 5-wave move off the June lows. Price moved up in 5 waves and then came down into our support area already first time here. Did rally but failed to create 5 waves up, and that always leaves the option open to a potential retest of the yellow support area. Yeah. So it shows weakness, and it could very much be that it comes down a little lower again in the C wave. However, we need to be ready for an early takeoff potentially, at least be ready for it, because if this formed 5 up and came down in wave 2, this could be again an ABC structure. And if it did an overshooting B wave, which I think it did due to the failure to rally in 5 waves, yeah, this was only a 3-wave move up, then it could retest the box. And sometimes if you have an overshooting B wave, the C wave, yeah, does not, so the C wave of wave 2 does not go beyond or below the A wave. So a typical target for a C wave can be the 100% extension. So, and that's at $5.09. So we've nearly reached that, right? And we've already turned around. But again, this latest move up is only in 3 waves as well. So $5.09 is definitely a possible target for the C wave in a so-called running flat. Running flats are rare though. So more common would be an expanded flat in which price could come down to, for example, the 1.618 Fibonacci extension at 469. Certainly something to watch. This should be it, yeah. So I wouldn't really want it to go below 469. Okay, it would be okay and acceptable as long as it stays above 450. I think we can be looking forward to a potential 3rd wave rally. But below 450, that's by the way the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement, I would not expect a 3rd wave rally anymore. So that means at the moment, I find it highly likely that price will touch the yellow box again. That view stands as long as price stays below the B wave top. I would have to change my view. If we really get above the B wave top, then I have to assume that our wave 2 was already in when we hit the support area for the very first time. Yeah, very important. But so far, price is respecting the support area. We can also add some kind of a trend line here, I think. Yeah, I think we have enough touch points here potentially. And if it breaks below the trend line, I think that's a confirmation that the C wave is going to extend, possibly here into the lower range of the support area between 450 and 474, between the golden ratio and the 78.6 Fib level. That's, I think, something to consider. Looks like, though, that the C wave, if it is a C wave, that it is unfolding as an ending diagonal. It's very choppy, very messy, and it could be, if we have such an ending diagonal, that we already have seen here a wave 1, yeah, off wave C, a wave 2, a wave 3. This could be a 4, even though it's very high. It did not invalidate it. It did not go above the wave 2, okay, and then we could be working our way down now with maybe one more low in a wave 5. And then we just need to see, there isn't really, I mean, these targets I gave you, they are not super reliable, but they are levels to watch if we come down a little lower. Yeah, that's sort of what I'm observing at the moment. So that means primary scenario would be for price to come down a little lower. Would be pretty much in line with what Bitcoin Ethereum are doing. But if it breaks above the B wave high at $5 and yeah, 73, 574, then we might take off more directly. Yeah, but for clarity and for to have confidence in this chart, I'd like to see one more low at least. Yeah, that's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.